Hello fellow classmates, Tammy Sheffield here to reflect on assignment 2 for MIT 805. I'm not going to lie, I was a bit nervous about this assignment because I was not sure I was going to have time to commit to a group project because at the time we were right in the middle of state assessments, which meant I was traveling around to various locations around the state to test our students. But as we moved forward with the project, I realized it was structured in such a way that I could do the assignment around my busy schedule. So that was really cool and helped alleviate some of the stress. But although I was a bit stressed at the beginning, I have enjoyed seeing all the different tech tools my group members were sharing. That was pretty awesome. Got some really great ideas from them. So as I reflect on this project, I realize I learned a great deal from others in my group. Everyone shared some interesting tools, and there are several that I want to look at further and begin using with my students. The project challenged me to look for tools that will be useful to high school students, not to only make learning more engaging, but to help them improve their writing skills. Most of my search was focused on my creative writing course, but as I researched and learned about different tools, I began thinking about how I can use different learning tools with all of my courses and all of my students. The group shared some really great tools, but StoryJumper and Google are two tools that I'm definitely going to look at using with my students. And in fact, next week I'm looking at using StoryJumper. Next week, my creative writing students will begin a unit on publishing their writing, and we will be learning about the various options available to have something published. I think StoryJumper will be a great tool for some of my students who would like to self-publish a book, so I'm going to suggest it as an option for them. Another way I'm thinking about using StoryJumper is for our class anthology, which will include a writing sample from each of our students. And with the ebook price of only $2.95, I think I could even possibly finagle purchasing the book and then sending out the ebook to all of my students so that they have a copy of it as well, other than just maybe a PDF or a Word document. So I think it'd be something really cool that they could put together and take away with them at the end of the semester. Another takeaway from all the tools that everyone shared was all the different Google apps that are available for education. I've always known the basics of Google and using Google to create and store documents and slideshows and all that, but I never really realized how much Google could do. So I'm definitely going to be looking at more at Google and the apps that I could use with my students. I'm really excited about that. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to use it. And I think my students will enjoy some of the stuff that Google has to offer them. I am excited about all the new tools that were shared by my group members. Not only did everyone find some great tools, but they shared ways that they are either using the tools already or plan to use them. So now I think I have plenty to keep me busy with over the summer. I want to really delve into some of these tools and learn more about them and start incorporating them into my courses. So a big shout out and thank you to all the group members who came up with some awesome ideas. I really enjoyed working with y'all and sharing resources and ideas. And there's a lot of things I'm definitely taking away from this project. So y'all take care. Again, great working with y'all. Have a good one.